name is Vince Schmidt. I'm one of the partners of Creative Rods and Restoration in Greenville, South Carolina.
My name is Travis Harvey, aka Professor T, the other partner.
Creative Rods and Restoration officially was created in 2012 and 13. We recently, about a year and a half ago, moved to a more commercial location in Greenville, South Carolina, and we focus on building street rods, pro touring cars, resto mods, factory restorations, show quality paint.
We actually built a car, a 66 GTO, and was at a car show, and Vince had noticed the car in the local neighborhood and actually seen the car at the show, and that's how me and Vince actually became friends and eventually became partners.
I actually saw the GTO and went and knocked on his door.
Well, yeah.
And he never came to his door, so I saw it at the car show, went up and introduced myself to him, and at the time Travis just happened to be there. They just restored the car, and I met Travis at that point, and you actually painted a car for
Yeah,
me.
ended up doing a 69
69
GTO convertible, building it for him, and then a year after that we came together and here we are. So my favorite car that's came out of the shop would be the 68 Nova. It came in and the guy was just looking for a paint job, and we stripped it down, took it to the strip tank. When it came back, it was just a
Swiss cheese.
yeah. And so we've replaced every piece of sheet metal on it, and major extensive body work. And pretty cool build. That's been my favorite one so far, I would say. We got a new build in, the 69 Camaro Pro Touring car. It's going to be pretty cool build. That'll probably be my next favorite one. But what's your favorite one?
Now I'm going to have to think about it.
Nah, you can't think about it. I just got 74 FJ.
No.
No?
No. Well, I guess it's going to be the 59 Apache. We're building that now as a shop truck because we have creative control over it. We get to do what we want to. We call it the Indian Outlaw. It's going to be a big block Chevrolet. Patina? We're going with patina.
Kind of patina, but we're not real sure on that yet. But
pro touring, new complete chassis on it. But I would say that's going to be my favorite one, just because you get to do what you want to do to a car versus you have to do what the customer wants you to do on their cars.
I get to do it how I want to do it.
No,